Dear students, hope you well and good. In this video, I am going to show you a method that how you can get a paid certificate of Coursera free of cost. Basically, Coursera is a platform where you can learn a lot from foreign professors and get certified from international universities. But the problem is that all the courses on Coursera.com are paid. So in this video I am going to solve this problem and show you a method that how you can get a paid course or certificate free of cost through financial aid. I will show you a method how to write a financial aid application that will get approved. For example, you want a course on nutrition, you just have to type nutrition on the search bar and click enter. As you can see, here are many courses on nutrition. For example, you want to get certified in science of exercise, you just have to click on this course. This will take you on another window. As you open this course and click on join free or enroll free, you can see the amount that is $49, which is 13,000 PKR approx. So you have to pay $49 to learn about science of exercise. But while you scroll down, you will see a button financial aid available. When you click on this, you have to click continue to the application. When you click on this page, you will go to the next page. So this is a financial aid page which consists of following tabs. Number one is education, annual income, employment status, and reason you applied for aid. You have to fill all this section to get approved. You have to fill this page very carefully. First, in education sector, you have to click on college degree. In income, you have to write 0. In currency, you have to select PKR, rupees PKR. Here is. In employment status, you have to select student. So at the end, you have to write a reason for your financial aid. So this is the main step in this procedure. Come to the point what you have to write in this section. Dear student, this is the main section. For this section, I already written a paragraph. You can see on my Word. You can change or alter the text according to your profile. While writing an application for financial aid, you have to show yourself as a genuine and needy person. Then you will get approved. Otherwise, your application will get rejected. So keep all these things in your mind. I have written a sample template for a reason of financial aid. By following these 2 paragraphs, you can get approved your financial aid application. So you just have to follow all these steps which I follow in this video. You can change this paragraph according to your situation or conditions. You just have to copy this paragraph, copy and paste. Please verify all the other sections you have already filled. College degree, annual income 0, PKR or employment status, student. Click on I have reviewed my information, everything is up to date. Click on next. Here, how much you pay for your selected courses, just keep it 0. How will you selected course help with your goals? So for this section, I already written a paragraph which you just have to copy and paste there. You just have to copy from here and paste it. You have to check all these sections before applying. So please type the following sentence: I agree to the term above. You just have to copy this line and pasted it to this section. You just have to copy this line and paste it. Copy and paste. I am not a robot. taxi verify. So in this way you can fill your financial aid application. You have to wait 15 to 20 days to get your application reviewed or analyzed by your instructor. You just have to click on review, and after reviewing you just have to click on submit your application. So our financial aid application has successfully submitted. You have to wait 15 to 20 days to get approved. By following these steps I have already got many certificates. You can see on my profile sorry, my purchases. As you can see, here are I think 25 to 30 courses. For this I have paid nothing. So keep this in your mind. You have to be a real student. Be a real student. Be a genuine person. Hope this video helped you a lot. Allah Hafiz.